Today we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most popular and highly recommended VPNs on the market, ExpressVPN. With its blazing fast speeds, strong security features, and user-friendly interface, ExpressVPN has garnered quite a reputation. But is it really worth all the hype? Well, today we're gonna find out. In today's review, we'll be exploring ExpressVPN's key features, server network, speed, pricing, and of course, putting it to the test to see if it lives up to its promises. So without further ado, let's dive right in and get started with our comprehensive ExpressVPN review. If you're running short on time, here's my full summary of ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is one of my favorite VPNs on the market with its fast speeds and military-grade security and verified no-logs policy. It's honestly hard to find a better VPN. It also has a massive server network in more than 90 countries, so you can connect to a nearby server no matter where you are at. It also has an impressive selection of features, including a kill switch to automatically disconnect the VPN, a smart location feature, which connects you to the most optimal server, multiple security protocols, including their proprietary protocol, Lightway, split tunneling, and a lot more. All of that being said, I do have a major criticism of ExpressVPN, and that is, it can be a little bit pricey. But since they have frequent discounts, it really isn't that bad, and you can check out the latest offers down in the description box. Now, while there are more cost-effective VPNs out there, like I said, I do feel that ExpressVPN offers enough quality features to justify the high price. Let's start by discussing ExpressVPN's security features. When it comes to VPNs, security should always be the top priority. ExpressVPN delivers on that front by using AES 256-bit encryption, which is considered the gold standard in encryption technology. This level of encryption is used by governments, militaries, and banks around the world, so you can trust that your data will remain safe. Furthermore, ExpressVPN uses a combination of security protocols, including OpenVPN, IKEv2, and their proprietary Lightway Protocol, which adds an additional layer of security to your connection. ExpressVPN also has an airtight no-logs policy that has undergone several independent audits by reputable third-party organizations like PwC. This means that they do not store any information about your online activities, ensuring your privacy. ExpressVPN is also based in the British Virgin Islands, a privacy-friendly jurisdiction that is not part of the 14 Eyes Alliance. This means that your data is less likely to be subject to government surveillance or data sharing agreements. Now let's go over ExpressVPN's speeds, since one of their key selling points is the lightning-fast connection speeds. But does it actually achieve this in our testing, and if so, how? Well, in our test, we found that ExpressVPN consistently delivered impressively fast speeds, outperforming many of their competitors. I tried it out on both nearby servers and fairly distant servers and had pretty good connection speeds on both. This makes it an excellent choice for streaming, gaming, and other data-intensive tasks. Keep in mind, though, that your actual speeds may vary depending on your location and what server you're connecting to. I used ExpressVPN to access several popular streaming sites like Hulu, Netflix, Disney+, and was surprised by how little impact the VPN had on my connection speed. There was no buffering at all on any of the nearby servers that I tested. ExpressVPN uses a proprietary Lightway Protocol, which is designed to provide a faster and more reliable connection compared to other VPN protocols. Lightway is built on the open source protocol WireGuard, which is known for its high performance, security, and ease of implementation. ExpressVPN's smart location feature automatically connects you to the fastest server available based on your current location and network conditions, ensuring that you get the best possible experience. All right, now let's talk about ExpressVPN's server network. A good VPN should have a vast and reliable server network. ExpressVPN boasts a server network that spans across 94 countries. This extensive coverage allows you to access content from around the world. Additionally, having a large number of servers helps prevent server congestion, ensuring that you always get the best possible speeds. It's also worth mentioning that ExpressVPN has obfuscated servers, which can help users bypass internet censorship in countries with strict internet protocols, like China, for example. ExpressVPN takes the security of its network very seriously. They use TrustedServer technology, which runs servers exclusively on RAM. This means that all data is wiped clean every single time a server is rebooted, providing an extra layer of security. This technology also allows ExpressVPN to deploy software updates and patches much more quickly, ensuring that their server networks remain up to date and protected against emerging threats. But how are ExpressVPN's extra features? Well, ExpressVPN offers a range of extra features that I think set it apart from the competition. One such feature is split tunneling, and this essentially allows you to route some of your traffic through the VPN while allowing the rest to bypass it and go through your regular internet connection. This can be useful if you want to access local content or use a specific app without VPN protection. Split tunneling can also help optimize your connection speeds, as you can choose to route any bandwidth-intensive activities through your VPN, reducing the load on the VPN server and maintaining faster speeds for other activities. Another standout feature is the network lock kill switch. This automatically disconnects your device from the internet if your VPN connection drops, ensuring that your data remains secure. In addition to these features, ExpressVPN provides DNS Leak Protection to prevent your DNS requests from being exposed to your ISP or other third parties. This again adds an extra layer of privacy to your online activities, which is always important. And of course, ExpressVPN also offers compatibility with a wide range of devices, including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Linux, routers, smart TVs, and gaming consoles. This cross-platform compatibility means you can protect your privacy on virtually any device that you own, making it a versatile choice for users with multiple devices on multiple platforms. That sounds great, but how much does it cost? When it comes to pricing, ExpressVPN offers 3 subscription options: a monthly, 6-month plan, or a 12-month plan. While the specific dollar amounts do vary, it's worth noting that the longer plans offer considerable savings compared to the monthly option. ExpressVPN certainly has premium pricing, but many users find the value it provides in terms of security, speed, and features to be well worth the investment. Since ExpressVPN regularly changes the cost of its products and regularly discounts its packages, I've included a link below to the current stored page here so you can get the most up-to-date pricing info and the best discounts. It's also important to know that all plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 30-day free trial. This allows you to try ExpressVPN risk-free and decide if it's actually the right option for you. And if you have any issues, their 24/7 customer support is available to help you out with whatever you need. ExpressVPN's customer support is top-notch, offering assistance through live chat, email, and an extensive knowledge base of their own website. Additionally, they provide step-by-step guides and video tutorials on how to get started and troubleshoot any issues that you may have. So overall, ExpressVPN may cost more than other VPNs on the market, but it's a quality product with excellent special features. Finally, I wanted to briefly touch on its accessibility and user experience. Lastly, let's talk about the user accessibility. ExpressVPN has an intuitive and easy-to-use interface, making it suitable for both beginner and advanced users. ExpressVPN supports up to 5 simultaneous connections, allowing you to protect multiple devices with just one subscription. This is particularly useful for families or individuals with multiple devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and computers, just to name a few. Furthermore, ExpressVPN is compatible with a wide range of platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Linux, routers, smart TVs, and gaming consoles, like I mentioned earlier. They even offer browser extensions for Chrome and Firefox, making it easy to secure your browser experience without the need for opening a separate app. With its extensive device support and user-friendly interface, ExpressVPN is an accessible choice for users of all levels of technical expertise. So, what's the final verdict on ExpressVPN? Well, after taking a closer look at ExpressVPN's features, security, speeds, server network, extra features, pricing, and user accessibility, it's time for the big question. Is ExpressVPN worth it for you? And the short answer is absolutely. ExpressVPN is often regarded as one of, if not the best VPN provider in the industry, and our review has shown that it truly lives up to its reputation. With its military-grade encryption, strict no-logs policy, and privacy-friendly jurisdiction, you can trust that your online activities will remain secure and private. ExpressVPN's impressive speeds make it an excellent choice for streaming and gaming and other data-intensive tasks, and you can connect to servers from all over the world and maintain great connection speeds. So there you have it. ExpressVPN truly stands out as a top-tier VPN provider, offering a comprehensive set of features, exceptional performance, and a commitment to user privacy and security. If you're looking for a reliable, fast, and secure VPN service, then ExpressVPN is definitely worth considering. Before we wrap up this review, don't forget to hit the like button if you did find this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more high-quality VPN reviews and insight. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.